Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing fine. And if you're wondering where I am right now, I am back home in Bergen. Yes, I'm back from university, at least for a while. And so we're gonna cook in this video, as you can see it in the title. So no one's home actually, because everyone is employed. I'm the only berozgar person in this family, and yes, so I thought the least I could do, or the only thing that I could do, is cook. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna cook something very easy, very quick, because I'm tired. So I thought I might as well just vlog this. So I don't know what stuff we have at home, so we're just gonna explore. And what are we gonna make today? We're gonna make, okay, this is like the most underappreciated dish, that is egg fried rice, and I love it. Like, I really love it. But it's like,
if you eat it with Szechuan sauce, then it's like cherry on top.
And I don't know if we have it. Okay, I don't know what there is in this house and where it is in this house. So it's like a small struggle, but I think we can do it. Yes, so we have an hour to cook. So let's get started.
तू फ्राईड राईसचा ब्लॉग बनवणार डेडिकेटेड फ्राईड राईस फ्राईड राईस
हातावर अरे बोल ना 10 मधून खरं
बोललो
बोल.
ना 10 बस झालं
बोल.